Zoho CRM tutorial for beginners, the best CRM software for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Zoho CRM, which is a tool that enables you to create a simple, easy solution for all of your customer service needs, as well as a bunch of other tools as well. So to get started, simply head on over to zoho.com/CRM, and then you can click on Google, LinkedIn, or just enter your full name, email, password, and phone number to get started. Now, once you do that, you can just head on over to your sign up process. I'm going to sign up with my Gmail account over here. And after that, you can enable two-factor authentication. I'm going to skip that for now. Now, after that, you will be led to the homepage of your Zoho CRM. Now, Zoho has recently updated what their CRM software looks like. It's a lot different than it used to be. So you will find your navigation panel on the top of your screen where you can manage your leads. Now, these are all going to be your potential customers, people that you are trying to get into your business, and you can filter out all of your leads depending on how you are going to filter them out. So you can see you have lead sources, lead owners, the phone number, so on and so forth. You can simply click on create lead over here to create a lead. So you can choose the lead owner, which could be the person that has brought in this new lead for your business, and then enter their name, all of the information that you have as well. Now, after that, if we go back into the lead section, you can also do bulk management. So I can bulk select all of these, and I can click on actions, and I can click on print mailing labels, or I can click on add to campaigns to create a campaign that might be directed to all of them, that might be directed to some of them, and you can in this way create, mass actions or bulk editing features in your leads as well. I'm just going to be deleting these because these are just sample leads, but to add a new lead, simply click on it, and you can add an image for that lead as well. And after that, you can enter all of their phone numbers, lead source. So let's say that we found this lead via a sales email, and we can enter their industry as well. We can enter the lead status, so we are contacting them, and you can enter the number of employees or rating. So let's say we have active, we're going to rate this as active, so this lead is someone that we are currently negotiating with, someone we are interacting with, and you're just going to click on save, and we're just going to wait for the lead to be created. Now you can click on the timeline section of each individual lead to view all of your history with a lead as well. Now after that, you have your contact section. So people that you are currently working in business with, people that you are in business with, all of those people can be added in this section. You can simply click on create contact over here to create a simple contact, and it helps you separate leads and contacts as people you are in business with versus people that you are trying to be in business with. Then after that, you have your accounts. Now, the account section is a section which will enable you to manage the businesses that you are in. So if you take a look at this account, so this account is going to be linked to a contact, it can be linked to a deal and the next action. So you can enter whatever you are doing for this person or this business. You can enter who is the main person handling this business, what kind of deals have you negotiated with them, and what are the upcoming projects that you are going to be working with for this specific account. And this will help you keep track of all of your major business channels. This will allow you to manage all of those, and you can enter if you have these as annual revenue creators or people that you are paying to do stuff for you. So this will enable you to simplify a lot of business processes. Now after that, you have your deal section. So in here you can manage all of your analytics. You can change the views, so you can get a list view over here as well as a Kanban view. A lot of people like Kanban views for this because it demonstrates or illustrates a lot more information in a more simple fashion. And you can see your need analysis, and you can simply click on create a deal, and you can enter the deal name, the qualification, and the stage of the deal. So you can enter you're doing a value proposition, if you're proposing or getting price quotes, if you're doing a negotiation, if it is closed and won, closed and lost to competition. So this will enable you to mark the probability, the expected revenue, and get a good idea of where your business is headed. This is especially a super useful tool when you want to analyze what kind of potential your company has. So In this way, you can enter deals, you can enter the main focal person that is going to be dealing with that. And then if you have deals that you have lost, so let's say that I have a deal that is in the negotiation phase, but turns out that I lost that sale. So what I can do is I can just move this into the deal closed, lost to competition stage, and you can enter that, and you can enter your reason for loss as well, and then you can enter save. So this will enable you to monitor your business in a effective timeline view and see how your business is going ahead. Now, after that, you have your activities section. So from here, you can manage all of your customers, all of the open deals, leads, or contacts, and other basic information that has not been sorted in any other section. You can also create tasks, meetings, and calls in this section. You can schedule team meetings online as well with this section. Now, after that, you have call section. So you can click on create call over here, and you can schedule a call now, or log a call as well. Now, after that, you have your meeting section. As I was saying, you can create a meeting and you can enter what the meeting is related to, the contact name, and who is going to be hosting this meeting. Then you have tasks and projects, which are super essential for any CRM tool. Whenever you're dealing with CRM, there are definitely things that need to be delegated. So for delegation, you can create a task and delegate it to a certain person. You can enter the task owner as the person who is going to accomplish this task and enter the subject, due date, and if it is related to a certain account, what kind of status it is currently on, what priority it is, and what is the detailed information. Then you have project. So project enables you to connect your project management software. This is going to be a lot more detailed, so I'm not going to go too much into that, but you can basically manage larger projects with Zoho's project management software. And you can integrate that project management software directly into Zoho CRM as well. So you can bridge the gap between, your sales section, your CRM section, and your project management section. So that is a lot detailed, and you can set up your entire projects over there and then link them to your CRM. Now, after that, you have reports. Now, reports enable you to analyze all of your basic tools that you have. You can click on vendors, purchases, so on and so forth. So you can get a couple of templates by Zoho CRM as well to see the different reports that they're going to give you. You can get activity reports. You can also create financial reports with their functions. And then you have campaigns, documents, visits, and feeds. So documents is the section which enables you to store all of your documentation. And other than that, you also have a calendar on the top. You also have a simple create new section. So if you want to create a new contact, lead, or anything, you can just click on over here from wherever you are on your CRM tool and create a new contact, deal, call, whatever it might be. Then you have basic settings for your actual CRM platform. And then if you click on your extensions, you can install a couple of extensions that might be useful. So you can install MailChimp or Shopify, anything that relates to your business, you can integrate it over here as well. And then you have your basic account information and Zoho integrative tools as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.